Welcome to the Art of Delegation. Let's talk about website traffic. The more visitors you have on your website, the more chances you have in turning them into leads. It's that simple. Now, I know you know the website is a digital office. People go there looking for information about your services, and it's supposed to be built to navigate with ease. I also know you pay attention to the data collected by your site. And if you don't, you should. Especially look for how much time people spend on it and what they're looking at. Why? Because it gives you the type of information your prospects are interested in. And it gives you good conversation starters like, thanks for subscribing to our upcoming event. See you soon. Or, I saw you downloaded research from my site. Let's chat. Or, come for a free consultation. You know, your call to action. All this info is available with Google Analytics, and it's something that you should delegate. What would you like to see next? Google Analytics or strategies to drive traffic?